Welcome to the AES 2020 virtual platform. We're so glad you're here with us this week. Today, I'll be giving you a step-by-step walkthrough of how to access the conference site. To log into the site, click the link included in this email and use your email address and confirmation ID to log in. Make sure to keep this email to access your credentials at any time during the event. Once you log into the site, make sure you're on the Schedule Builder page, which will take you to the conference lobby. Your first step is to update your profile. Your profile and photo will be important for a good AES 2020 experience. This will help other attendees and friends locate you and schedule meetings with you during AES 2020. You can do this by clicking on your name in the upper right-hand corner of the page and clicking on My Profile. Here, you can upload a photo or headshot of yourself and update your information like your company, biography, and social media links. Also, be sure to update your privacy settings so others will be able to locate you within the community. If this is not checked, you will not be included in the peer finder. AES 2020 recommends you include yourself in these settings to have the best experience possible. When you log in, you will be brought to the home lobby. We've organized our meeting into some main areas that we hope you will visit often. You can access the education sessions, exhibit hall, poster sessions, short topics, and event materials on the main lobby page, or you can locate them on the left-hand navigation bar. You can also schedule peer-to-peer meetings or exhibitor meetings by clicking on Get Together. Also, notice there is an AES Concierge button located in all of the lobbies. You can click on this tile to ask AES staff questions about AES 2020. While you're in the home lobby, we hope you will click on our premier exhibitor logos and watch our AES 2020 welcome video. The first thing you want to point out is the Event Materials tile. This will bring you to all the materials associated with AES 2020. This includes documents like the at-a-glance, the abstract guide, the AES 2020 Code of Conduct, the exhibitor list, and other materials in PDF form that you can access over the course of the meeting. The Sessions tile will take you to the Education Session List where you can see a comprehensive list of sessions. Explore options like AES Symposia, Special Interest Groups, Investigator Workshops, Skills Workshops, Career Development, Special Lectures, Satellite Symposia, and Evaluations and Credit Claim. For the best experience, click Add to Schedule within each session to build your own personal calendar. When the session starts, you'll see the Join Now link within the session description to access the session content. If you're interested in more than one session at a time, they will appear side by side on your schedule. When clicking into any of these tiles, you will get a full list of sessions associated with these filters. Notice on the top navigation bar, you can find sessions by day. Once you find a session you would like to attend, I'm going to click on the Hot Topics session where there is a Nobel laureate presenting. Be sure to click Add to Schedule. This is necessary in order to view the session during scheduled meeting times. Make sure to browse all of the sessions we have. You won't want to miss a thing at AES 2020. Go to the My Schedule tab to view all the sessions and items you have added to your individual schedule. To get back to the home lobby, simply click on the Home button on the left navigation bar. The Exhibits tile is where you can find our exhibitors based on their level of support. You will see Premier, Leadership, Supporting, Medical Affairs, Epilepsy Resource, Product Theaters, Career Center, and more exhibitors listed. Click on a tile to narrow your search. Also, note the Search All Exhibitors tile, and finally the Win Prizes button to learn about Tend to Win, which is about how to win prizes based on how many booths you visit during AES 2020. To show you how this works, the Leadership tile contains 8 exhibitors at our leadership level. Click on a logo to visit the booth. Next, I'm going to click on Epilepsy Resource. Once you're in this section, you will find the patient advocacy nonprofit organizations. If you want to search for a particular exhibitor, you can enter this in the search field. When visiting an exhibit booth, you can schedule a meeting with booth staff, chat with exhibitors within their booth, or click on video or resource links. The posters tile is where you can find all poster sessions. You will see the AES poster hall, better outcomes, platforms, investigator workshops, industry scientific exhibits, poster tours, abstract, and the abstract guide listed. Click on a tile to narrow your search. Also, note the posters concierge tile, where you can ask staff questions pertaining to any poster sessions. The AES poster hall has over 100 posters. It requires a login and is the same email address and confirmation ID that you will use to log in to AES 2020. The Short Topics tile will take you to the Short Topics list, where you can see a comprehensive list of bite-sized learning sessions. Explore options like Learn the Ropes, Talk Back, Clinical Corner, Meet the Speaker, and Thought Leaders. This is a great place to go if you have a few minutes and want to hear quick ideas or pipe in with some of your own. The Get Together tile is where you'll find all the fun stuff. This is where you'll find the networking lounge, peer finder, member center, special events, live studio, play, mentoring, and social media listed. Click on a tile to narrow your search. The live studio will have 3 episodes a day, so make sure to add these to your schedule and stop by during the scheduled times and hear what AES guests have to say. The social media tile is where you can engage with us and use the AES2020 hashtag to capture and share your favorite moments of the event. Now I'm going to return to the home lobby and go through a number of items located on the left-hand navigation bar. You're going to find most of these in the locations we just looked at, but if it's easier, good news, you are able to locate them in the left-hand navigation from any lobby. When you click on Peer Finder, you will be directed to a complete list of attendees. Here, you can schedule a meeting with your peers. Next, on this navigation bar, you will find the speaker directory. This is where all of the speakers are listed, and you can connect with them directly. Another button we want to point out to you is the Credit Claim button, where you can claim your CME credits. That concludes our AES 2020 platform tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. The event begins on Friday, December 4th, so use this time to explore the site and to build your schedule to make the most of the event. Thank you for joining us for AES 2020 and for being a part of the American Epilepsy Society community. We can't wait to see you there.